G'day and welcome to day 331 of this beard growth, and now it's Saturday and it's holiday, so let's do something cool, some cool kitchen chemistry fun. We're going to make heavy balloons. Now what are heavy balloons? They're balloons that are heavier than normal balloons. Why are they heavier? Because the gas inside is actually heavier than the gas that we blow into it, like the air. Okay, so the gas that we're going to use is carbon dioxide, and we're going to get the carbon dioxide from sodium bicarbonate. So it's known as bicarb soda or baking soda. It's, it should be in your kitchen, you use it for cooking and everything like that. And we're going to get the carbon dioxide off by reacting it with acetic acid, which is essentially vinegar. So vinegar is about 5% acetic acid. Now, to do this as chemically correct as possible, we need to do some calculations. So I worked out that the balloon is roughly a sphere and it's 10 centimeters radius. So that gives us 4.1 liters if you use 4 over 3 pi r cubed to work that out. Now 4.1 liters is approximately 0.2 moles if you divided that by 22.4 liters per mole of gas. And what else we got? So then we times that by the molecular weight of the sodium bicarbonate, which gives us about 17.8 grams of sodium bicarbonate. So we're going to put about 20 grams in, a little bit more, and then we need the exact same moles of acetic acid. Now it's 5%, so we need 12 mils of acetic acid to give us 0.2 moles of acetic acid. So we times that by 20, so that's how many mils we need of vinegar. So that's 240 mils of vinegar that we need. Now, because we want the sodium bicarb to fully react, we want all of that to react. We're going to have an excess amount of vinegar, so we make sure there's enough vinegar there to react with everything. So we're going to throw in another 100 mils of vinegar. Now I'm just going to go to the kitchen now and do that, so let's cut to the kitchen.
So this is everything we need. We got our balloons. I just got some white 12-inch balloons. We got our vinegar, and I've weighed out 350 mils. And we've got our bicarb soda, sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, whatever the brandage is. And I've weighed this amount out, and my scale's got off. But I pretty much did I believe this is a tablespoon. It was pretty much 1 tablespoon, like that, 1 heaped tablespoon. Put it in, gave me about 20 grams of bicarb. Now the thing is we're looking at the bicarb. That's what's going to produce our CO2 gas. So the amount of bicarb's what's important. So, I calculated that we needed 17.8 grams to give us 4 liters, which fills up one of these balloons quite decently. So that there is probably about how much you need. If you got a little bit extra, it doesn't matter because that just means more CO2 gas. Alright, but the important thing to make all that react is you need the right amount of vinegar. Now this vinegar is 5% acetic acid, I believe, and so we needed 12 mils of acetic acid, so we times that by 20 because it's 5%, and that gave us about 240 mils, so I'll put 100 mils on top because we want the excess vinegar, because we want all of this to react, and for all of this to react, we have excess vinegar. It's just basic chemistry there for you. We've got this little thing. Now, this little thing came from one of the icing, or what do you call them, those icing bags where you ice cakes. Now, I put that over the end of the balloon and fill it up with my baking soda. Just makes it a lot easier. It acts like a funnel. So if you've got a funnel, you can use a funnel, but I use that. So what we're going to essentially do is fill this up with all of that. So I didn't mention, I got a 1.5 litre bottle. You want a nice big bottle because it does bubble up quite high. So we're going to put that into there. We're going to put that into there. We're going to put this on top of that. And then we'll be good to go. So I'll put the balloon on the funnel or the frosting bag tip thing. And we're simply going to fill it up with the baking soda. It's probably not going to work too well, so I'll use a spoon. And see if this will all react. So we've got that in the balloon. On the side, now we need to pour all. So we've got 350 mils of vinegar. Now for the fun bit, we'll put the balloon on top, make sure it's nice and secure so the air can't get out. And then all we need to do now is the fun bit of tipping the powder, which is the sodium bicarb, into the vinegar, and the reaction should start straight away. A bit of a shake, make sure it mixes up.
Hold up, you switch it out or something like that. I'm always thinking magically, aren't I? And just a quick tip, I actually use 1.5 heaped teaspoons, so I used about 30 grams of sodium bicarb, but still 350 mils of vinegar, and I did it again and I got a much bigger balloon. So about 30 grams of sodium bicarb to 350 mils of vinegar should work well. The 1.5 litre, bucket was fine, so there you go. So just fill up the bucket, I said bucket, it's a bottle, fill up the bottle with vinegar, fill up your balloon with your sodium bicarb, put the balloon over the top, tip it all in, let it go up, pull it off, tie it up, and you've got a heavy balloon. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow. And if you really liked it, leave a comment down below if you want to see more cool kitchen chemistry or other cool explosive chemistry in the future. Thanks for watching.